Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in Google Workspace account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, let's start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. Once you're there, you'll largely recognize the page by the layout and possibly the Google Workspace logo. From here, you're looking for a specific link named Admin Console. It's usually located toward the top or middle of the page. Next up, it's time to input your login credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your email and password associated with your Google Workspace account. It's essential to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. Now, just authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Google Workspace account. If you have multiple email accounts, make sure you're using the one that has admin access to your Google Workspace account. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Google Workspace account and ready to explore all the productivity and collaboration tools available to you. And that's it. So that is how you can log in Google Workspace account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.